Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying requirements. Check the Windows version and whether it is 32 or 64-bit, because the wrong binaries fail to register. Once done, sign in as an administrator so registry and system files can be changed. Next, create or confirm a system restore point in case rollback is needed. Make sure you note the full error text and target executable. That detail drives the next steps and prevents blind fixes that waste time. You now repair system components and re-register key libraries. First, run dism to restore the component store, then immediately run system file checker to replace corrupted files. These two commands fix many configuration mismatches. After that, identify any missing DLL or COM class from the error and re-register it with regsver32, or reinstall the specific runtime, for example, Visual C++ redistributable, that provides the component. If an installer exists, run it as administrator and choose repair rather than full uninstall. You finish by rebooting to ensure services and registrations load cleanly, then test the application. Run it elevated once to confirm permission-related issues. If the problem persists, enable verbose logging in the app or check Event Viewer for the exact failure code. Those logs tell you whether a missing dependency, permission, or policy blocks execution. Finally, if repair attempts fail, roll back to the restore point you made or gather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.